All right, so tell me if you can relate to this. I'm 40, I woke up, and I'm just feeling like crap. My shoulder hurts, I can't do pressing exercises, my elbows are hurting. I got the flu 3 weeks ago, and I can't kick it, and I'm still talking with a raspy voice. But there's good news. I work at Alcoa Chiropractic and Wellness Center.
Okay, let's do this. Let's do both sides, kinetic change, shoulder, elbow, wrist.
Okay.
Make a fist. I want you to lift up like you're lifting doing a curl. So lift up. Good, relax. Oh, lift up like you're lifting a curl. Excellent. You okay?
Yeah, do that one again. I don't think you went all the way.
Lift up. Okay, relax. All right. It might be coming from neck because it seems weak. Lay face down. Okay. So I'm going to do the talent.
Oh, God. Woo!
Yeah, I know, man. Okay, we'll pop up, kind of hit you in the gut. We're going to do that about 3 or 4 times.
Oh.
As your hip feels tight here, this is high.
Uh-huh.
Leg is short.
Yeah. Oh.
I'm not too hard on you.
No, you good. Oh.
Have you been doing anything that's causing, like any of your exercises or stretches or kettlebell, anything causing aggravation to this?
I'm living life. Life is bothering me.
Yeah, and you know what? That makes sense. Take a breath and hold your breath. Exhale. Am I killing you, Doc?
Yeah, you're doing great.
Any headaches or anything lately?
No. Just, I guess this is a laryngitis. It's not coming up, and between the low back and then the shoulders, elbows, everything is just.
I gotcha.
I'm old.
Yeah. I am not going to turn. I'm just going to do a little push right there.
Oh my God. Whew. I'm still here. I'm still here.
You're still here. I'm going to do just a little, not much rotation, but a lot of lift. Okay. Teeth closed. But we did get the occiput, which worked good. I'm going to do shoulder adjustment. Subscapula. Good. Lay on your side, face this way. Good. So, I'm going to go about right there. Straighten that leg just a smidge. Good job. Oh! I mean, your back is super tight.
Yeah.
That psoas seemed really tight on me. Let's do a little.
Oh God.
When's the last time you had somebody do psoas?
Oh, the last time you did it.
Okay. Lift that knee and touch my elbow. Yeah, go back to the floor. Good. One more. I'll wait till people start groaning and then I do one more.
That's what you know.
That's the trick, yeah. That's the trick. Good. Now, cross your arms. Yes, there we go. And let me do all the work. Come back here. Let me do all the work. Now lay face down. Oh, jeez. Good.
It does feel good though.
It does, doesn't it?
It hurts, but it feels good.
Well, we're in hip flexion so much, we never get much hip extension. Let me check. Let's see. Okay, man. You're
All good?
back to balance.
All right. Okay, so this is Elizabeth, and she's going to be taking my blood, drawing my blood, right?
Yes.
For the PE injections.
Stick here.
Whoop.
That's it.
And we're in. So we looked at my blood labs, and it turns out that a lot of my hormones are actually doing pretty well. My vitamin D is doing well, my testosterone's doing well. Nothing is crazy out of range. However, we did talk about that I've got a little bit of a spare tire around the old gut, right? And so what Misty recommended was some peptide therapy. You'd see this one right here, CJC 1295 and ipamorelin. So I'm going to start taking peptide therapy and injecting it to help with that. It improves human growth hormone and your metabolism of the area. So I'm going to start doing that.
So we're just going to put your tubes with your whole blood in the centrifuge, and then we will spin them down 2 times, and then Misty will be able to draw the plasma from them.
So this is Shockwave therapy. Say hello to Jess.
Hey!
Hello. And she is delivering sound waves to my medial epicondylitis right here. Oh, that hurts.
Too much?
No, it's good. It's good.
Okay.
Jess, what do most people say about when they receive Shockwave? What's it like?
It's a very weird feeling.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's mostly what I get. But the more that they come, they say that they feel a lot better.
Yeah. Yeah, like 2 out of 10, maybe 3 out of 10 right now.
You want to go up or stay here?
We'll go up a little bit.
Alright, this is a 1, so if we go up more, we're jumping up.
So this is a class 4 laser therapy. What we found is, there's a whole spectrum of light, right? There's visible light, there's not so visible light. And we found the short wavelength of light is not so healthy, not so good for our tissues. We're talking about LED lights and that sort of thing. We found the long wavelengths are very, very therapeutic to the body. And what this is class 4 laser. It's infrared, so meaning we really can't actually see the light, even though I know you see a red light right there. It's infrared wavelengths, and there's 4 different wavelengths, and it combines to really penetrate very deep into my shoulder to help me get rid of some of the inflammation in there. What it does is basically the blood within my shoulder here, it's dumping its oxygen supply. So all these cells then are getting this oxygen, so then they start producing more ATP. That's the energy of the cell. It gets rid of waste products. So it's a fast forward button to getting rid of inflammation as well as just healing the area. So laser therapy is helpful for, I'm going to use it on my elbow here. I'm going to use it on my shoulder, obviously. I can use it on my back. Tinnitus in people's ears. Gout, they're even using it for gout and they're getting great results. So it's really cool stuff, the class 4 laser therapy. Yes. So we're going to do some for my shoulder as well as for my elbow. This is Misty Ford, our nurse practitioner. Hi. So how's this going to go?
So we have drawn his blood. We did 4 tubes of ACD, and we've gotten 10 milliliters of PRP here. So it's platelet-rich plasma. We spun down 2 different times in the centrifuge. So now we're going to inject his own platelets back into his body to help the growth factors heal the tendons and tissues that are injured. All right, so what's been going on with your bicep here?
It's just been irritated, especially during like pressing motions.
Okay.
When I give adjustments, I do a lot of dips and pull-ups. Doesn't bother me during the pull-ups, but the dips and the adjustments.
Okay. So we're first just going to have you just put your arm down, hold it just like that, don't move. So we're going to palpate the bicep tendon attachments.
Yeah, it's not terribly tender in the moment,
Okay.
but it gets that way.
So we're going to just X marks the spot, then we will clean it with chlorhexidine. Then we're going to use ethyl chloride spray so it numbs the skin so he doesn't feel the pain of the needle. So this is pretty much a relatively painless procedure. The is pretty thick, so it sort of doesn't feel the most comfortable, but we're trying to get the healing factors to go into the tendon itself to repair it. So he plays a lot of hockey. He is injuring this tissue on a repetitive basis. So right now with this spin, we should be injecting between, I would say, 6 billion platelets.
Yeah? And you're kind of mixing it around.
Yeah,
right
just
now?
rubbing it onto the tendon itself there. And all right, so we got one down. How painful was that?
2 out of 10.
2 out of 10.
Right there.
Okay. So right above the medial epicondyle there.
Yeah.
Okay. So same process. We're going to clean it with chlorhexidine wipes to make sure we don't get any type of infection. And then got your arm steady there. So we are going to spray again, numbing the area. Then I'm going to direct the needle towards the epicondyle space. And we will put approximately 2.5 milliliters into the tissue. All right, first of all, I'm gonna make sure that's still a spot right there.
Yeah.
Spray it with ethyl chloride spray.
Turn it out.
And then that gets nice and numb.
Skin,
You're gonna be so sore tomorrow.
skin was just so hard that couldn't get that needle through it. Strong skin.
Thick skin.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. All right. So it was a long day, but it was a great day. I got all sorts of great treatment. I'm feeling like $1,000,000. And I just want to let you guys know you can take advantage of these services. If you want the VIP in a day, follow the link and you can sign up and get a personalized attack of all sorts of therapies for you. We'll see you soon.